Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to identify terms, coefficients, constant terms, and the like terms of the expression. Let's look at this one. Negative 3x, that is one term. Negative 5, 2 terms. Negative 7x, 3 terms. And negative 9, total 4 terms. Let's write them down. Terms, we say negative 3x, and to separate it, we put a comma here, negative 5, that's next term, negative 7x, and negative 9. Total 4 terms. Coefficients. To find the coefficients, we're going to go to the one that has variables. We have a negative 3x and negative 7x. Both these terms have variables. The coefficient is right here. Alright, therefore, we're going to write down coefficients is negative 3 and negative 7. We can put them, line them up so you can see clearly, okay? Alright, constant terms. Constant terms is these real numbers. We have negative 5 and negative 9. I'm going to put down here constant term, negative 5 and negative 9. Like terms. Just like the name says, they have to be alike. What does it mean? It means, look, negative 3x and negative 7x, both of them have x. Therefore, they are the like terms. I'm going to put them together. I'm going to say negative 3x and negative 7x. They are like terms. Later, we're going to do combine like terms, means I can put them together. I can add them. That's right. And negative 5 and negative 9, both of them are real numbers. I'm going to say these two are like terms. That's it. All right, before we leave, I want to mention if you have a negative 3x, another one is negative 7x squared. These two are not like terms. Because this x has 1 power. This x has 2 powers. The exponent is 1, the exponent is 2. They are not like terms. All right, happy learning.